In this tutorial, I am gonna show you how to make a letter portrait poster design in Photoshop. Hi there, this is Habib from Glow Design. Hope you are all supporting us. If you enjoy this video and don't forget to hit the thumbs up. This is very easy for you. If you see carefully, you will surely understand. Okay, let's start. Create a solid adjustment color layer and choose the color. Now take type tool, Ctrl or Command T to adjust the letter size. Now go to another image and remove the background. Select subject and mask. Right click and convert to smart object. Now black and white. Follow the settings. Select both layer and convert to smart object. Ctrl or Command T to adjust the image size. Now duplicate the layer. Now select the text layer and go to blending option. Inner shadow. Follow the settings. Stroke color. Follow the settings. Drop shadow. Follow the settings. Right click and create clipping marks. Select this layer and mask. Now right click in the text layer, select pixels. Select inverse. Pick brush tool and take a hard brush. Mask foreground color is black. Ctrl T or Command T to deselect. Go to blending option, drop shadow. Follow these settings. Now select max, pick brush and remove the outside drop shadow. Guys, follow our social media platform, then you will never miss any updates and any important videos. If it is helpful for you, then share this video. If you have any question, then ask, feel free in the comment box.